Hey guys, we're sitting over here about to return the new starter we got 24 hours ago.
With the place with the stuff and the things. New starter.
Alright, so we're gonna...
starter, broken starter.
Of course. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna return it real quick, we're gonna get a brand new one, and we will see you in a few minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey, we're back. We got the brand new starter.
Brand new starter.
So...
and a loud guy next to us too now.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the new starter. We're about to head to the junkyard.
So here's what's going on today. Besides us returning this and getting another one, we actually still have to go out to the junkyard. We're going to look for a whole bunch of little goodies out there. We're going to do some shopping out there, see what's going on. Maybe, I don't know, maybe find some taillights or something. I don't know. But I have a high feeling that we're not going to find any. But, yeah, so that's what's going on today, and we will get back to you later on today with that. Like I said, it's early in the morning. Both of us are still waking up.
Yeah.
Once we get our coffee and we get what we need, we'll get back to you guys, and we'll let you know what's going on.
We'll see you in a few minutes.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
Got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I feel, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired.
We found the car.
Here it is. It's a little beat up, but it still has a whole bunch of valid parts on it that we can cooperate with. It doesn't have the part we're looking for, sadly, but I mean, I don't know, Bobby. This one's made in Japan. This one could work for us, man. Take all these out, all this stuff out, and see what it has going for it. I mean, I don't see what we have to lose. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 is somewhere around here. There's number 6. Oh yeah, nice and crusty too. Man, that was stuck on there too. Well, I mean, they look okay.
I pulled out.
I did say they looked okay. Well, I guess we're not walking away with that, but... oh, yeah.
That looks phenomenal.
Mine don't even look that good. We're gonna put this in our car.
Go ahead.
This is going in our car. What else? That master cylinder is a little loose. Twist this a
A
smidgen.
little?
Just a smidgen.
That's not even a master cylinder. That's brake booster
The
cylinder.
main drive belt's a little broken.
Look at the interior in this car, though.
Yo, this has oil at the top of it. Bobby.
Got water in it, though.
No, that's straight oil, man. Mine. Hey, man, help me put this back in, man. Ugh. Maybe this will help with our electrical problem. They took the rotor. Not the rotor. They took the distributor. At least we got the distributor cap. You got the tools?
Back there.
Where's back there? We'll go fetch them. Please and thank you.
What do you need them for?
I'm gonna try to break some stuff loose. Maybe something like this. You know, just some random parts I may need. I don't know. This one's clean though.
So, we found another one. It's the 300ZX. I mean,
What else could Bobby? These tops will actually fit mine.
and it's still got the engine in almost pristine condition. If I can open it up.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at that beauty.
The V-belts. This is an 88, by the way.
Nice little car.
Not bad.
Wouldn't mind owning one myself, to be honest.
Meanwhile.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
You know, I'm gonna update you a few things about that starter that we just got from the parts store. Well, used it about what, 3 to 4 times. Cooked out again. Having to go today to get another one. But Scott's at work. I'm gonna be heading over there in a few minutes. As you see, I'm kind of at my house. So another thing, when we went to the junkyard yesterday, we actually came across a couple of parts. We came across the distributor cap, which was at the first junkyard. The second junkyard would not let us video inside the junkyard, so I couldn't get any footage in there, so that sucked. But the second junkyard we went to, they had a 1979 Datsun 280. They had taillights, which they said they weren't for sale, but they costed too much for us. They had the TPS, which is the throttle position sensor. They had the coil thing from the distributor to the sparker that runs the distributor. They had a couple other parts that we decided not to get, but they did have most of the parts that we needed. I'll show you that when I get to Scott's house, and I'll let y'all know anything that happens. All right, see you then.